Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both fairly traded in a zone as they expected that it might see a drop towards 33,100 and 14,600, and these are going to remain a greater support. Prices have gone closer to these levels and have since then reversed. So now what to expect with the US session? Can we expect them to achieve the highs? Can we expect it to break past the resistances on the upside towards 33,400 and 14,889.20 zone, or is it going to stay bearish? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. The first update was released before the US and Asia session, Europe and Asia session. Those who watched must have profited till now. So let's start. First, to look into Tech 100, and yes, those who are new to the channel must subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get live notification. And before leaving the video, just press the like button if you think that the content is adding value to your trading decisions. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Let's start. First Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. Now, first let's have a, before we come into the daily charts, first let's start with the hourly charts here. Now, if you look at the hourly charts, higher lows are seen here, higher highs are seen here. This is coming after a strong pole formation and a flag formation. So this is still in the bullish zone. Largely, if you note, see, first is the movement here. What has happened here is drop, drop, same levels. Now, the preceding move was a bearish move here where the prices have fallen. The preceding move here could be the move where the prices might rise. So it is attempting to achieve these levels. What levels here? 14,750, 14,760. So yes, it can try to move towards this zone. This is going to be a greater resistance zone for the day. What we can see it as a head and shoulders formation here. So I will definitely watch out for 760 and then 800 levels. It is only beyond 840, 850 is where the bullishness will be seen here. Second thing is higher lows are seen, good signs for the bulls. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, but it is trying to converge crossover. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2 hour. Now note the 2-hour charts. Preceding candle, reversal sign was seen, and the preceding candle coming with the tail. This candle trying to break out. At best, at least 14,725 should be seen here, and then 750, 760 to be seen. Beyond that is where we can see the bulls will be taking over. At the same time, we all know that 14,650, 630 is a greater support zone. Now, yes, if you see the price is staying below 14,650, you can again initiate a selling position for 630. See, in the morning update, I have asked you to sell at 14,670 towards 14,630, and precisely it has achieved 620 levels and bounced back. See, stochastic is rising. MACD has fallen flat. It has not yet crossed over. A crossover here may bring bearishness because see, the retracement is done and it can start to initiate the selling positions here. RSI rising. Coming to 3-hour charts. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, higher lows are seen. If you divide into two, what a strong momentum was seen here. It can possibly achieve the double top levels here at 14,750, 760 before reversing. There is a probability to it. At the same time, a drop below 14,630 is where you can try to initiate a selling position for 14,600. Very strong support, and any move below 14,600 should be treated as a strong bearish momentum will be seen below that. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is still in green, RSI falling flat. Coming to 4-hour. Now see, on the 4-hour charts, preceding few candles were bearish here. Then the last candle was a reversal candle here. After forming the tail, we have seen a hammer formation. It could be a possible reversal sign, and that is why we can see this candle trying to retrace further up. Now see, if you note the candles here, red candles followed with greener candles, we may see a little rise here. As long as 14,600 is respected, we can expect that the prices might reverse again. Now what is happening here, this candle might show you higher lows, higher highs. This candle might stay within the zone. So higher lows, higher highs suggest that 14,630, 620 levels should be the support here. Even if it tries to drop, these levels might provide the support, and from those levels the recovery is possible. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. MACD is in green. It is still trying to stay on the recovery path. RSI is falling flat. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. Support is seen at 14,400. Double bottom is seen. and it is trying to recover. Also, if you note at the daily chart, see higher lows are done beautifully. This candle might show you a recovery again towards the 20 period moving average. At the same time, any drop below 14,600 should be taken up very seriously, because why? You should note that, see the bearish momentum here, then the retracement, and if it gives a breakout, this could be bringing more bears to the party here. Yes, it is done with the retracement, and if this breaks out on the downside, more bearish momentum should be seen. And on the upside, 14,725 you can buy, but then 750, 760 is what you should watch out for. Beyond that is where 800 and 850 levels will be seen, and if it breaks past by 850, this should be the signs of the bulls out here. So far, the moving averages are trading with divergence, and it is still staying in the bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, RSI is falling flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy today Nasdaq 14,725, and yes, beyond 14,725 we can look forward to 14,750, 760 as the first resistance, 800 as the next, and then 840, 850 as the third one. Beyond 840, 850 is where the bulls will be taking over. And before I giving you the selling end, first thing is, if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Every action matters. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 28th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And see, you can get the more details about the course on my platform www.forexfunda.com. This platform is not about the mentorship or education alone, but you will find everything and anything required to a trader, whether be it the economic calendar, be it the charts and the indicators, be it the availability of the experts, where you can book a call and get the solution to your problems in a quick call, or be it the like-minded traders, where you can discuss with the discussion forum, where the traders can pitch in and have a discussion. So do join the platform www.forexfunda.com. You will definitely find it interesting and worth it. Now, see, considering this, I will recommend you to sell today at 14,650, but then 14,630, 620 is the greater support, and 14,600 is the ultimate support. It is only and only if you see the price is staying below 14,600, we can say that it is reversing. Still, 14,550 and 500 are the next two support levels. If the prices falls below 14,500, that is the time where you can see the bears are capturing the move and it is going to crash. As long as these levels are respected, chances for a recovery will be very high. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Now, let's have a look at Dow. Now, see, if you look at US30, first of all, even how these levels here on the downside, 33,050 can prove out to be a greater support. So 33,050, 33,100 is still proving out to be a great support. Price is reversing from 33,100 levels. But is this the reversal? Yes, if you look at the candles here, see, coming with a very long tails, it suggests that the price is tried to stay bullish. 33,200, 220, and rather I will say 33,200, 250 is still the greater resistance. It needs to stay above 33,250 in order to confirm the further rise towards 300 and 400. Remember, it is only above 33,400 where the reversal is confirmed. Stochastic rising, MACD is in red, trying to converge crossover for a buying entry. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2, if you look at 2-hour chart, see the drop here, divergence turned out to be convergence. Since then, the price is staying bullish here. So first thing is, there is a probability for the prices to achieve 33,050 levels for once. It might try to achieve those levels with a swing, but still, if you look at the movement here, see longer tail suggests that we might see the bullishness to continue, and probably a breakout beyond 33,240, 50 is where the bulls will be taking. The stochastic is rising, MACD is in green, it is still trading with a divergence in bullishness. RSI is rising as well. Now look at 3-hour charts high in the preceding two candles, and see, one must note the formation here. Just observe these two candles, symmetry, and hence wait for it to break past beyond 33,250 where more bulls might. And if you notice this, it is getting the support from the 20 period moving average as of now, which is still going to remain a greater support. Stochastic falling flat, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, it is crossed over at bottom, it is continuing its journey on the upside. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4 hour, and on the 4-hour chart, see, first of all, this pole, look at this flag. Thus, only about 250 is where slight bullishness will be seen. In fact, only once it breaks beyond 33,300, you can say, or you can treat this as a breakout. Else, you can note lower highs, lower lows suggest a reversal towards 33,100. So 100 to 300 zone is where we have to watch out for, and rather I will say 33,050 to 33,300 is the zone where you should watch out for more with caution. Stochastic looking down, MACD has crossed over, it is the bullishness, it is looking upwards, it can continue further on the upside. RSI rising, coming to the daily chart. Now look at daily chart, see it is still in the swing zone, highs at around 33,300, 350, lows at around 33,000. On the daily chart, the levels are pretty different. Thus, as long as for the day 33,000 are respected, we can expect it to bounce back, we can expect it to recover. On the upside, if you look at, see higher highs, higher lows, thus 33,350 levels and then 33,400 levels. These are the two levels which it needs to break past by. If you also note the movement, see multiple red candles, first greener candle, it can yield second greener candle which can take the prices on the upside towards 33,500 itself. The stochastic is rising, MACD is still in red, it is not yet crossed over, RSI is flat. So looking at this, you can buy here at 33,240, expect 33. See, 33,270, 33,300, greater resistance here in this zone between 270, 300, but still you will get at least 30, 40, 30 to 50 points here, and beyond 33,300 it is 33,355 and 33,405. So two levels, if it stays above 33,400, target is that it is going to reverse, and we are looking at least 33,500 and then 33,700. If not today, possibly by tomorrow, these levels will get achieved if it stays above 33,400. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here. See, if you're selling at 33,180, you might get another 40 to 50 points. 33,130, 33,100 zone is the first support. And if it stays below 33,100, you can look forward to 33,050 as the next target. And below 33,050 is where the slight bearishness will be seen. 33,000 is the next strongest support levels. Now, one thing to remember, 32,950, 32,900 is again the next targets. And if the prices falls below 32,900, you can say that it is a crash which is in making, because forming or breaking below the double bottom levels is where the crash will be seen. 32,800 first and 32,600, 500 levels to be seen the next. Yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. We have seen a slight retracement. If it breaks past 33,000, the accelerated bearishness will be seen. And as in how it breaks the support levels on the downside, more bearishness may prevail. Thus, you can sell at 170 and buy at 240 today. For this 70 points, do not trade. Largely on the for the day, during the day, you should watch out for 33,000 to 33,350 or 400 zone. This is the larger zone where one has to remain cautious. Yes, it can show you swings. Yes, it can achieve a reversal, and hence you have to trade with caution. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss. Join my free Telegram channel for more live updates. Reach out to me via email, and you can book a call with me on www.forexfunda.com if in case of any queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Thank you.